Hey everybody, it's Neil and I have this is a self-adhesive tape of some sort, and we're gonna check it out if I can open it. So here we go. So this is a measuring tape, and the way it will work is it's a metal measuring tape, so it's a nice thick heavy duty one. And if I can cut it off, so here we go. I'll show you. So this is what it looks like here. See, so you have your regular like measuring tape like you would get in a tape measure, but it's an adhesive one. So it's pretty sweet. So you can put it somewhere. So if you have kids and you want to measure their growth or something like that, you can put this on the wall and it's going to stay, and it's going to be metal and really solid and good. Or if you wanted to build your own, jigs of some sort in your workshop, and you needed to have, you wanted to put this on your workbench, so you'll always be able to see the length of certain things, you have that ability here. And it looks like it's going to go in centimeters, and it's going to go all the way from 0 there, and it looks like it's going to end at 500. I'm not going to unroll the whole thing because I don't know, 500 centimeters, I'll never get this thing rolled back up again. But it's cool, and it comes with the tape on the back of it, so you just peel the tape off, and you've got yourself, double-sided tape to tape it onto something. So it's a great little thing to have. So if you have a workbench you want to do it, or you just want to have it for measuring anything, or a craft room, something like that, it's great. You'll always be able to see how big something is. So very cool, and it's nice and metal, so it's durable. Thumbs up, great.